Yeah, somebody done told you a lie. I've been crying over you all night. Who says a man don't cry? Who says a man don't hurt? Never had their heart ripped out of their shirt. Been lonely and down in the dirt. Who says a man don't hurt? 'Cause baby, 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 all I see when I close my eyes is taillights fading away in the Georgia sky. I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? And tell me who says a man don't beg? And didn't see me in the rain on the night she lay begging, please don't say goodbye yet. Who says a man don't beg? I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Oh, baby, baby, baby. Who says a man don't cry? Somebody gone and told you a lie. 'Cause I've been crying over you all night. Who says a man don't cry? Who says a man don't cry? I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Yeah, I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Yeah, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry?
Let's learn Real Men Cry. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Real Men Cry. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do back steps with touches and snaps. So we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to touch your left toe in place with a bent knee slightly pointed to the right, and you're going to snap both fingers out to the side about hip height. We're now going to step back with our left. You're going to touch your right toe in place with a bent knee slightly pointed to the left, and then snap your fingers out hip height. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right, and then you're going to start a turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left slightly over your right. Your body will be angled towards the left, but not quite into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your back touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a quarter side shuffle. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. Step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to step your left next to your right, cross your right over your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and then sweep your right from back to front. So let's try that with some counts. We just did that slight crossover step, so you're gonna do your side shuffle to make a quarter turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to weave. So we're gonna cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left foot, and we're gonna do a quarter turning shuffle, stepping your right foot to the side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep. You're going to weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to do a half lock step back. So you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Cross your right over your left and then step back with your left. We're now going to do a reverse rocking chair with sways. So we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left. Now we're going to rock forward with our right. And as you rock forward with your right, you're going to slightly sway your hip forward and back as you recover your weight onto your left foot, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. Now let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our quarter shuffle. Weight is on your right. You're going to do your step half pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now if you would like a non-turning option for that last section of 8, there is one included on the step sheet. So instead of doing your half pivot, half lock step back, all you're going to do is do a left rock recover. So rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right. And you're going to do a left lock step back, stepping your left foot back, cross your right over your left, step your left foot back. And then you'll continue with that reverse rocking chair with your sway. You're just taking out that turning portion. And the counts are exactly the same. So you would do your 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your back touch. So it's back touch and snap, back touch and snap, rock back, recover, forward, cross. Now your quarter side shuffle, together, cross, quarter side cross sweep. Weave, cross rock, quarter shuffle, half pivot, half lock step, back, rock back, recover, rock forward with your sway, recover. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your back touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, if you want to take out that turning portion when we go around and do our 4 whirls, that is your choice. I will be doing the half pivot, half lock step back, but feel free to replace it for yourself. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall is wall 11. You'll be facing 6 o'clock when you start the dance. You're going to dance up to count 12, and then we're going to do a 3/4 turn, doing 3 steps to come to 12 o'clock. So let's dance up to count 12, and then we'll talk about how to make it go to the front. So it will be on your left. You're doing your back touches. So it's back touch, snap, rock back, recover, forward, cross, quarter, shuffle, together, cross. Right here is count 12. What we're going to do is turn over our right shoulder, stepping left, right, left. You're going to end up making a 3/4 turn to end facing 12 o'clock. So what I like to do is do a quarter for each step. So I did a quarter stepping back to face 6, a quarter stepping forward to face 9 o'clock, and then a quarter to step forward to face 12 o'clock. And then I did a step to the side so that I was in a comfortable stance to end it, but you can just end here if you would like. And you have some time so you can make that kind of nice and slow and flowy to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Remember, if you would like to take out that turn, that is your choice, and you have to do that yourself when we are going through. or you can choose to try that turning option like I will be doing. So weight is on your left. We're gonna step back with our right and touch. So it's back, touch, and snap, back, touch, and snap. Rock, recover, walk, cross. Quarter side shuffle, together, cross, quarter back, side, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Half pivot, half lock, step back. Now your reverse rocking chair with your sway. Start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, touch, and snap. Back, touch, and snap. Rock back, recover, walk, cross. Quarter side shuffle, together, cross, quarter back, side, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Half pivot, half lock, step back, recover, rock forward with your sway back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Real Men Cry. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Who says a man don't cry? Yeah, somebody done told you a lie. I've been crying over you all night. Who says a man don't cry? Who says a man don't hurt? Never had their heart ripped out of their shirt. Been lonely and down in the dirt. Who says a man don't hurt? 'Cause baby, 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 all I see when I close my eyes is taillights fading away in the Georgia sky. I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? And tell me who says a man don't beg? And didn't see me in the rain on the night she lay, begging please don't say goodbye yet. Who says a man don't beg? I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Oh baby, baby, baby. Who says a man don't cry? Somebody gone and told you a lie. 'Cause I've been crying over you all night. Who says a man don't cry? Who says a man don't cry? I've been crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Yeah, I've been crying in my bed, crying in my bed, crying on the pillow where you used to lay your head. I'ma cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry? Yeah, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. Who says a man don't cry.